if you want to learn simple yet effective ways to engage your little one and support their development. Stay tuned. Did you know that the first 3 months of your baby's life are critical for brain development? During this time, their brain is rapidly growing, and engaging in playful activities can make a huge difference. In today's video, we'll explore 5 brain-boosting activities that you can easily do at home with your newborn. Trust me, these activities are not only beneficial, but also a wonderful way to bond with your little one. Activity 1. Tummy time. This simple yet powerful activity helps strengthen your baby's neck, shoulder, and arm muscles, which are essential for future milestones like rolling over and crawling. Place your baby on their tummy on a soft, safe surface, like a playmate or a blanket, for short periods throughout the day. To make tummy time more enjoyable, place a few colorful toys or a baby-safe mirror in front of your baby. The visual stimulation will encourage them to lift their head and look around, further strengthening their muscles and enhancing their visual development. Activity 2. Talking and singing to your baby. Even though your newborn can't understand words yet, they are incredibly receptive to the sound of your voice. Verbal interaction stimulates their auditory development and helps build the foundation for language skills. Sing lullabies, nursery rhymes, or simply talk to your baby about your day. You can also read short, colorful storybooks. The rhythm and melody of your voice, along with a variety of sounds and words, will captivate your baby and promote their listening skills. Activity 3. Gentle massage. Massaging your baby not only relaxes them but also boosts their sensory development and helps improve their motor skills. Use gentle, soothing strokes on their legs, arms, and back. This activity also enhances your bond with your baby, making them feel loved and secure. Incorporate massage into your daily routine, perhaps after bath time or before bed. Use a small amount of baby lotion or oil to make the massage more comfortable and enjoyable for your little one. Remember to maintain eye contact and talk softly to your baby during the massage. Activity 4. Visual stimulation with high-contrast images. Newborns have limited vision and are most attracted to high-contrast patterns. Black and white images are particularly effective in capturing their attention and promoting visual development. Create a visually stimulating environment by placing high-contrast cards around your baby's play area or hanging a mobile with high-contrast patterns above their crib. This will encourage them to focus and track objects, enhancing their visual skills and cognitive development. Activity 5. Sensory exploration. Introduce your baby to different textures and materials to stimulate their sense of touch. Soft toys, crinkly fabrics, and textured balls are great for this purpose. Let your baby feel these objects with their hands and feet to enhance their sensory development. Create a sensory basket filled with safe, textured items for your baby to explore during playtime. Always supervise your baby during sensory play to ensure their safety. This activity not only promotes sensory development, but also encourages curiosity and exploration. To make the most of these brain-boosting activities, incorporate them into your daily routine. For example, you can do tummy time after diaper changes, talk and sing to your baby during feeding, and offer sensory exploration items during playtime. Remember, playtime should be enjoyable for both you and your baby. Follow your baby's cues and avoid overstimulation. If your baby seems tired or fussy, it's okay to take a break and try again later. The goal is to create a positive and enriching environment that supports their development. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and ideas on how to play with your newborn to boost their brain development. Remember, these early months are a precious time for bonding and growth. Enjoy every moment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful parenting tips. Happy playing! Subscribe for more tips and advice. Thank you for watching.